Hey YouTubians, Gary here, coming to you from inside Jawbreaker today.
That can kind of go a little weird.
Hey, welcome back. I have a channel announcement I'd like to make. I would like to get your input on it. We are here on YouTube as a community. At least I am. I don't care about the dollars and cents. I don't care about popularity. I don't care about any of that. I've often told you guys, I'm not an expert.
Never have been, I never will be.
All I am doing is sharing my experiences with you guys to help y'all out with your projects. Can't get much easier than that. So the new subs that have recently joined, I wanted to personally thank you for coming along on our adventures and journeys and whatever else mishaps and mayhems that go about. Trust me, I've made mistakes, and if it wasn't for other people commenting down below and helping me along, I probably wouldn't be where I am.
I'm just dumb enough to get on the camera and record some of this stuff versus other people going along and not recording.
Makes sense. In my head anyway, it makes sense. There's a lot to be said about YouTube. It's a great platform. I'm not here to get rich quick. I don't even care about the money.
Oh, you noticed the ads.
Let me tell you a quick little secret about that. So yes, I do have the ads enabled on the channel. And here's the reason why. Here's what I have planned, if you will. We're going to put it back in the Volkswagen community, guys. I really don't care about the money. Don't get me wrong, money's nice. I work so I can afford my living and provide for my family. But that's besides the point. This money, this YouTube money, we're going to put it back into the community, and here's how we're going to do that. For every dollar that I make from the YouTube channel, from you guys subscribing, liking, commenting below, we're going to put back into the community. So let's just say I make 50 bucks. I constantly have people email me, call me, hey, I need help with my car. Okay, and I go over and I help them. Unfortunately, I have to make multiple trips because either A, I don't know what I'm getting into, B, they don't know what parts they need, and I usually have a good idea, for the most part. Not an expert, just know a few things. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take the YouTube money and we're going to buy the parts needed to fix their car or their bus or whatever. And then we're going to record the session. So what's that going to do for you guys? It's going to give you guys different content to look at. We're going to be helping the community keep these old cars on the road. And it's also going to be helping out the local community. So YouTube essentially helps pay to keep the Volkswagens on the road. Is it a unique idea? I really don't know. I'm sure there's somebody out there doing it, or maybe multiple people doing it. Couldn't really tell you. But this is what we're going to do on this channel. We're going to give back, we're going to help out, and we're going to take you guys along for the rides. So do me a favor. Please, make sure you comment below. Let me know what you think. And all my other videos, make sure you comment. If you have questions, ask, reach out. If I can't help you, there's going to be other people that are commenting that are as knowledgeable, if not more so, that can answer the question for you. It's a community. It's not about me. Trust me. It took my son a long time to get me to hit this record button. And to be honest with you, I hate being in front of the camera, but it's not too bad. Met some fantastic people along the way. So once again, thank you guys for being as awesome as you are. Make sure you reach out to other people. Help them out along the way. Be kind to one another. We'll catch you on the next one, guys. Be good.